The mechanical load across the induction motor is equivalent to electrical load of R2 into 1 over slip minus 1. The injected EMF in the rotor of the induction motor must have the same frequency as the slip frequency. Which of the following method is easily applicable to control the speed of the squirrel cage induction motor by changing the number of stator poles? The crawling in induction motor is caused by harmonics developed in the motor. The auto starters using 3 auto transformers can be used to start cage induction motor of the following type, A and B both. The torque developed in the cage induction motor with auto starter is K square multiplied by torque with direct switch. When the equivalent circuit diagram of double squirrel cage induction motor is constructed, the two cages can be considered in parallel. It is advisable to avoid line starting of induction motor and use starter because motor takes 5 to 7 times its full load current. Stepless speed control of induction motor is possible by which of the following methods? Changing the number of poles. Rotor rheostat control method of speed control is used for slip ring induction motors only. In the circle diagram for induction motor, the diameter of the circle represents rotor current, for which motor speed can be controlled from rotor side. Slip ring induction motor. If any two phases of an induction motor are interchanged, the motor will run in reverse direction. An induction motor is self-starting with low torque. The maximum torque in an induction motor depends upon all of the above. In three-phase squirrel cage induction motor, rotor conductors are short circuit through end rings. In a three-phase induction motor, the number of poles in the rotor winding is always more than the number of poles in stator. Dual starting of induction motors is usually restricted to low horsepower motors. The speed of a squirrel cage induction motor can be controlled by all of the following except changing winding resistance. The crawling in an induction motor is caused by harmonics developed in motor.